how to use Barclays Contactless Mobile. So if you are wondering how you can use the contactless feature on Barclays Mobile, which are basically you would not need to have a physical card to pay previously, right? Now unfortunately what happened over here is the Barclays Contactless Mobile payment service actually closed on June 30, 2023 and is no longer available for registration or use. If you need to use, or if you used to use contactless mobile, you should now use your physical card to pay, and there are no other options. So unfortunately the service was closed. If you want an alternative, you can instead use Google Pay, because you can add your Barclays debit card to Google Pay if you have an Android device. Otherwise you can simply make contactless card payments with your Barclays card by looking for contactless symbol on your card. But I hope that this video pretty much helped you answer the question. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.